Sa bahay. You know, when I'm not working, like if I have a day or two, I just stay at home. I attend to my construction and garden. Kasi hindi natatapos yung construction eh. So pag may nakita ka, gawa tayo dito. Tapos pagsunta, gawin natin to ulit.
Parang trabaho sa bahay.
Oh, first thing I do in the morning, I go to construction dun sa baba nung sa town namin kasi my brother and I are almost done with the resort. So mas mahirap yung last minute. So nakabagyo ako, pupunta ako doon and then buong araw na kami doon kasi personal din eh, you want it to be personal.
You also have in Palawan, di ba? And right now, and what's gonna be different dito sa Batangas pa to?
It's a dive resort. Yeah, so it's my baby. And yeah, I want to make it really personal. So when I'm not working, I'm just there. And then I go up to the house.
Pwede ka namin makitang mag-surf? Yung mga mag-hello sa
Dive
mga
kasi
girls?
yun eh.
Pero
Serve.
mag-
Kala ko
mag-surf,
serve.
mag-hello sa mga
Yeah,
girls.
yeah. That's really the idea. To the point nga na ayaw ko na siyang i-commercialize eh.
Kaya nga, baka mamaya mag-fully booked eh. Baka